Frustrated with the Grammarly User Interface Common DLL pop-up blocking Grammarly Inc.? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we get into the technical process for Grammarly User Interface Common, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Grammarly User Interface Common, the core execution library for the Grammarly desktop client UI. It manages the localized rendering of grammar check overlays in Word and Chrome. If missing after a botched update, the Grammarly widget will simply fail to appear or will crash when a user attempts to log in. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like dism prov library DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Grammarly User Interface Common file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of dism prov library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Grammarly User Interface Common. If your workstation is back online and Grammarly User Interface Common is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.